In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a OneDrive direct download link. If you've ever wanted to share a file so that it downloads immediately, no preview page, no extra clicks, this walkthrough is for you. We'll start in OneDrive, create a standard sharing link, and then turn that link into a direct download with a quick tweak. Begin by opening OneDrive and heading to My Files. Locate the file you want people to download. This can be any single file. Documents, images, videos, or archives all work. Once you've found it, right-click the file to bring up the context menu and choose Share. That opens the sharing panel where we'll set permissions and grab the link. Inside the sharing panel, click the Settings or Permissions option to adjust who can access the file. Choose the option that allows anyone with the link to view it. This ensures your link works for people outside your organization or without a Microsoft account. Next, select the permission labeled Can Edit to Review or adjust it. If you only want recipients to download without changing the file, make sure the link is set to view only. When your settings look right, click Apply to confirm. Now click Copy Link. OneDrive generates a shareable URL and places it on your clipboard. To convert this into a direct download, open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar so you can edit it safely before sharing it with others. Move your cursor to the very end of the URL and type in download 1 with no spaces. This parameter tells OneDrive to skip the preview page and start the download right away. Most OneDrive share links already include a question mark and other parameters, so adding in download on 1 at the end is usually correct. Once appended, press enter to load the link and test it. You should see your browser begin downloading the file immediately, confirming that the direct download link is working. From here, you can copy the full updated URL from your address bar and share it wherever you need: emails, chat, documentation, or embedded behind buttons on a website. Keep in mind that anyone with the link can access the file, so share thoughtfully and remove or change permissions later if needed. If your organization uses link expiration or password protection, those policies will still apply to the download link you've created. And that's it. You've turned a standard OneDrive share link into a clean one-click direct download, fast, reliable, and easy for your recipients.